Hey guys, just thought I'd make another quick video just to give you an update on where I'm at on this thing. I haven't actually been working on it for some time, but I've had some questions, so I just wanted to give you what I figured out as far as the schematic is concerned and how everything's wound, and the amount of turns, the size of the wire, all that stuff. I did find out there was a couple of people posted some stuff on the overunity.com forum about this capacitor. It's like a dual capacitor, so I think what does it say? It says 150 plus 30, so it's 150 microfarad and 30 microfarad, depending on the way that you connect it, because it's either the body of this is ground, so that's one pole to one terminal, or ground to the other pole, and that's going to be the other capacitance. So if you go across the two, I can't remember what it gives you now, but I think it wasn't double that, but I can't remember what it was. But anyway, if you go across the two, it gives you a different capacitance. So I don't know, if I'm wiring that how it's supposed to be wired, but that was how Maxim sent me the drawing, and that's how I have it wired. I did pull this coil, had to break this one apart to see exactly what was going on, but this is the coil that was inside. And I've counted all the turns on all this stuff. I remade that one, obviously. You can see that I remade it with a new inner section. I mean, basically, this is the main Tesla coils is just a Tesla coil catcher circuit, right? That's the basic. This is aluminum wire, right, wrapped around, and I believe that's your pickups, and I'm pretty sure that depending on the spacing, how far these are apart, that's what's going to give you the frequency out, because of the longitudinal wave that's set up inside this thing. That's what it looks like it's happening for me, because you can actually, like, when you got this thing running, depending on where you want to touch this thing along here, it does all kinds of weird stuff on the oscilloscope with the way that the waveform spikes. So the placement of these, I think, is quite critical. But anyway, here's the latest drawing if you're interested. Hope this helps. But I've written down the main Tesla coil is about 2,800 turns, 442 meters, and that was 0.25 millimeters, or 30 AWG wire. The wire is inside. Okay, everything is counterclockwise. The main one's counterclockwise. The inside ones are counterclockwise, and the same on this one here. It's counterclockwise, and the insides are counterclockwise also. Obviously this main one here, that's clockwise, wound clockwise. This one here is counterclockwise, and this one here is clockwise. So, but here it is. It's got all the numbers, the windings, the amount of winds, and I don't know about this ground here. I don't think that's meant to be there. It didn't seem to make much difference whether that was connected or not. That wasn't in Maxim's drawing. He just had the one ground with the diode in line with it. Anyway, I just want to make a quick video, show you guys that, and good luck. All right, cheers.